What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to start Substack, and this is a beginner's guide on Substack. So first you need to head over to your Google or any browser, and then you need to head over to the Substack's website. Now after coming to the Substack's website, you can get the Substack app, and the application is available on Google Play and Apple App Store too. But if you want to directly start Substack via web, you can just simply click on Start a Substack and create your new Substack account. But I already have an account created on Substack, so on the right side you can see this dashboard option. When I click on this, I will be directly welcomed to the homepage of Substack. Now from here, you will see these multiple options to create your Substack, set up the basics, you can turn on paid notifications, and to get your first 10 subscribers, you can share your Substack or to create your first post. To do all of this, click on complete setup, and then you will be able to do all of these things. Now from here, if you want to create a new post on Substack, click on this new post option, and from here you have several options to create a new text post, create a new video post, create a new audio post, or create a new note, or you can just start a new chat thread instead. So let's say you want to create a text post, click on the text post option, and then you will be redirected to create your own first text note or board. So after that, you need to enter the title. After writing the title, you need to add a subtitle. And after adding the subtitles, you can add your content by just clicking on the start writing. And from here, you can start writing your post's content. And when you are done, you can change the heading style to these many settings. And you can even bold the text. You can change the text to italic. You can do the strike through if you want. And you can also embed your custom code to this post. And if you have an external link, you can insert that link by just clicking on this link tab and just enter the text of that link and then enter the URL of that link. You can paste the URL of your link here, and when you paste it and hit enter, your link will be added. And if you want to insert an image, click on this icon and insert an image. And if you have an external audio, you can click on insert audio and you can insert your own audio, or you can voice over here on your own. If you want to import a video, you can click on this and import a video from your computer. And if you want to insert a quote, you can click on this and then you can insert two types of quote, which is block quote and full quote. And you can just generate a numbered list or a block list, bulleted list if you want. And if you want to add a subscribe button, a share post button, a leave a comment button, or a send a message button, you can even add that too. Let's say I want to insert a subscribe button. I'll click on this, and then as you can see, the subscribe button has been added to my post. And when you click on more, you can enter a code block, you can enter a divider, a financial chart, a footnote, a lyrics, a poetry, and a poll. And when you're done, click on continue. And after that, you can choose the audience to everyone or paid subscribers only. And you can allow comments from no one or everyone. And then you can select the tags that you want to select to gain more attention to your post. And if you want to add a cover image, you can add your cover image, and you can also schedule the delivery of your post to immediate delivery or to scheduled delivery. And when you're done, click on send to everyone now, and then your post will be visible to everyone on Substack. So that was a starter beginner's guide on Substack. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.